Let's review the Tecno Spark 30 Bumblebee edition. While it might look a lot different from the base model, the only difference is you get customized wallpapers and icons on the special edition. In case you didn't know, the Tecno Spark series is curated for users who want an affordable phone without sacrificing the spark and excitement that they crave. And the Tecno Spark 30 does exactly that. It's one of those phones you'd want to use without a case. And the fact that it has a plastic back and frame means you can use it without having to worry about it falling or breaking. For the display, you get a 6.78-inch 1080p IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of peak brightness. On performance, it runs on the MediaTek Helio G91 backed by 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It runs on Android 14, iOS 14 powered by a 5000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging. On the cameras, you get the Sony IMX682 chipset with a 64 megapixel main camera that is able to shoot videos up to 2K at 30 FPS. You also get a dual speaker setup with Dolby Atmos support, giving you that stereo speaker feel. In general, the Tecno Spark 30 is a really cool device for someone on a budget but still looking for that excitement when it comes to the user experience. And for all of this, you only have to pay 18,500 to 20,800 Kenyan shillings. So make sure you drop by our shop and get yourself this amazing phone today. Otherwise, catch you on the next one. Cheers.